So, makukuha mo lahat ng gusto mong makuha in life. You will be emotionally fulfilled. Makukuha mo lahat ng achievements na gusto mo. Magiging masaya ka with the right people. Magkakaroon ka ng happy family. And yun yung gustong sabihin ng card sa'yo for today. Okay, so hi guys. If you see this message is meant to find you. For sure, you will get something from this reading. So, this is a collective reading for you guys. We will be tapping into the energy of the collective. So, just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what does the Ten of Cups mean for this collective? Okay, we got the Knight of Wands, the Knight of Cups, and the Emperor. So, merong lalapit sa'yo for a love offer. May mag-offer sa'yo ng happiness, ng vulnerability, ng hinahanap mo in a person. So, this is a divine masculine. This person is very stern, very strong, and very fulfilled na in terms of the divine essence. So the divine masculine, your divine counterpart, will be coming towards you with a love offer. And maybe siya yung makasama mo sa Ten of Cups. Siya yung makasama mo bumuo ng pamilya, ng masayang future. Okay, so we got the Three of Cups. So there will be a celebration here. Nagiging happy party, celebration. And we got the Queen of Pentacles. There will also be abundance. You are very abundant right now. So, I feel na itong Queen of Pentacles, you are very nurturing of yourself. Hindi mo nakakalimutang mahalin at magbigay ng oras para sa sarili mo to nurture yourself and to enjoy yung abundance na nasa paligid mo. You are very self-sufficient. You are very abundant. Kaya mong i-balance yung work and life, work and home. So, yeah. I feel na very happy talaga ang iyong future with this Emperor person. Okay, so we got the Six of Swords. So I feel na this Six of Swords, nandito siya kasi pupunta ka na daw sa a much calmer mind space. So I feel na hindi with this Emperor, with this love offer from this Emperor, ito daw ay magbibigay sa'yo ng peace of mind. Kung dati ay magulo yung isip mo dahil sa mga previous partners or previous connections mo, I feel that with this person na lalapit sa'yo, mas kalmado na yung isip mo sa kanila, mas you are more grounded, mas pupunta na yung isip mo sa mas matahimik na mind space. Okay, let's get one more for Three of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. We got the Two of Wands. So, maganda ang future mo talaga. You have a very good future, a very high potential for growth talaga. Kasi you are very independent right now. You are very abundant. Pero ayun, ngayon, mas maganda na yung future mo with this Emperor na magbibigay, mag-o-offer sa'yo ng love, ng affection, and ng emotional support. Okay. Let's get one last card. We got the Ace of Wands. So I feel na dahil nga you are now going into a more calmer state ng iyong isip, mafulfill mo na ngayon. Baka this will also be the start of your new career. Maybe it's a creative calling. Maybe ngayon mabibigyan mo na ng panahon at ng oras itong passion na or your life's calling, kasi nga you will be more stable, you will be abundant, you will be happy with this emperor na mag-offer sa'yo ng feelings, ng vulnerability, ng support. So ngayon you will now be able to pursue a career na gusto mo talagang gawin, something na hindi mo gagawin just to survive. So, ngayon, ito na talaga yung kung ano yung magpapasaya sa'yo. Kung ano yung makakabigay ng purpose sa life mo. Kung ano yung tinatawag ng puso mo na gawin mo. So, this is a new opportunity for a creative journey. So, ayan. Maglilid sa'yo into a very happy and prosperous future with this emperor. Yun. O, diba? So, yan, I hope na nakatulong tong message na to sa inyo. If you are finding this message, I feel na meron kayong makuha from this reading. So, just take what resonates and just leave what doesn't. Okay? So, again, see you guys on the next reading. I hope you are having a wonderful day.